Bamboo Gate Decor, 2023. Welcome to Bamboo Gate Decor, 2023. In this video, we invite you to explore the enchanting world of bamboo-inspired decorations for your home and garden. Discover the latest trends and creative ideas to infuse natural elegance into your living spaces. Transform your entrance with stunning bamboo gates that exude rustic charm and offer a warm, welcoming ambience to your guests. Create mesmerizing bamboo wall hangings and room dividers that bring a touch of serenity and harmony to your interiors. Spruce up your garden with eco-friendly bamboo planters and trellises, adding a touch of greenery to your outdoor oasis. Uncover DIY bamboo crafts and projects that are not only fun to make but also environmentally sustainable. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends in Bamboo Gate Decor and more. Let's embrace nature's beauty together and create a harmonious living environment. Like, share, and leave a comment below with your favorite bamboo decor ideas. Step into the world of Bamboo Gate Decor, 2023. Embark on a journey of natural elegance as we bring you the most captivating bamboo-inspired decorations for your home and garden. Transform your entrance into a mesmerizing gateway with our exquisite bamboo gates. Discover how these beautifully crafted pieces can add a touch of rustic charm and sophistication to your property. Explore innovative bamboo wall hangings and room dividers that redefine the concept of interior design. Witness the fusion of art and nature, creating a serene and harmonious atmosphere within your living spaces. Take your gardening game to the next level with eco-friendly bamboo planters and trellises. Experience the joy of nurturing your plants in sustainable and aesthetically pleasing containers. Dive into the world of DIY bamboo crafts and projects that allow you to unleash your creativity while being environmentally conscious. Learn how to make stunning bamboo decor items on your own. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join our community of nature enthusiasts and decor lovers. Let's embrace the beauty of bamboo and its timeless appeal together. Like, share, and comment below with your favorite bamboo decor ideas. We'd love to hear from you.